We're pretty excited today. We've got the new redesigned Landa PHW 3 at 1000 in here, or the PHW style machine. And a couple things I'd like to go over with you on it real quickly. This is an oil-fired, portable, electric motor hot water pressure washer that comes in 3 at 1000, 4 at 2000, 4 at 3000, and 5 at 3000 configurations. What's really great about this machine, this was the flagship for Landa for years and years and years, and they brought it back to where we have just for the oil-fired machines, we've got the hot. You can see in the background behind it, right there, which is a great direct drive entry-level machine with a low RPM pump. But the PHW is really the standard that all the other oil-fired hot water machines are built by. Let's just take a little tour of it. Look at the size of the tires and wheels. They're about a third larger than they were before. All the Landa equipment has the English, Spanish, and French labels on it. It's all UL certified to 1776 specs. This machine here has a standard hour meter, adjustable thermostat, power ignition and overload lights. As you can see, it's also got the rocker switches, momentary switches. There's an option on this machine called Snap and Go, which allows you basically to plumb in behind that panel, snap in behind that panel, time delay shutdown, auto start and stop, and a few other features. Your float tank right here is a covered float tank. You can just take this off of here, pull this off, and there's your float tank controls, a bypass line coming from the pump. This machine also is standard with bypass cooling, which allows you, when you let go of the trigger gun, to go ahead and let the water from the unloader go back into the float tank. Nice feature. Stainless steel top wrap with the black bottom wrap. A few nice features on this also are 36-foot GFI cord. You've got your fuel oil water separator, serial plate with all the information you need. You've got a Beckett burner here. You can see the handles come out at an angle. What's cool about this is it allows the operator to, it's just a more easy position to pull and push the machine around. The bigger tires and wheels make this thing a breeze compared to some of the other models that we had as well. Comes standard with a variable pressure wand. We've left that strapped on like it does in shipping. It's got a little wand holder right here, which is a very nice feature. You can see that the diesel tank is poly, no rusting. It's also got an indicator as well as the fuel cap light. Again, the instructions in English, Spanish, and French for our Canadian dealers. Coming around on this side over here, we've got a little kind of a cup holder, and then a little area for tools, wrenches, things like that. You can see a little bit better the epoxy coated powder baked paint that is standard on all of our frames and units in here. Detergent valve, metering valve for upstream injection of detergent, and then an area over there for the optional steam valve. Stainless steel end panels, 4 color coded nozzles, and your discharge port here. Pretty low center of gravity. The horizontal coil makes it really easy to work on. We're thrilled with this machine. I think it's going to be a great seller. You come standard with the Landa pump, belt driven pump, heavy duty tri-plunger pump. It's got a 7-year limited warranty on it. That Duracoil that comes on this machine is a Schedule 80 coil, 5-year non-prorated warranty. Easy to service. You got 3 bolts on this side, 3 bolts on the other side, and you just pop that off and you can get to the coil real easy. You've got your foot brake right also in here to be able to keep the machine from going anywhere. Just pops down like so, locks the machine in place, comes back up again. 6 little nuts on each side here allow you to have entry to the machine. You can also get into the machine from the sides. Another feature on this machine that's part of the new design is we've got tie-down points. You've got one here on the front of the machine. You've got some other units on the side, so if you have to haul it anywhere in the back of a pickup truck or ship it, you've got the tie-down points for it. One thing I failed to mention earlier also is that this machine is priced about $500 less on average than our OHW models, and the options are also less expensive. So not only is this machine redesigned and also a much more full-featured machine with a lot more options than a previous model, but it's also less money. Don't see that very often. So again, this is a Landa, the new PHW. We're going to be stocking the machines in Phoenix and San Diego store. We think you're really going to like this machine. We think it's going to be the premier oil-fired hot water portable machine in the industry. And just before we leave, we've got also what the Landa machines come with is a trigger gun. They've got a phenomenal operator's manual with expanded drawings, troubleshooting, motor and pump breakdowns. This machine's a 3 at 1,000, so it comes with a standard one wire braid hose, but even our R1 hose has the longer hose guards from here all the way around to protect the operator. That's also a UL certification. This hose is rated at 4,000 psi with a pin-pricked, highly resistant oil cover. The Landa 2-wire braid hose comes with the yellow hose guards, already coupled and nippled and ready to go. So anyway, it's a machine that we think is going to be that we're real proud to be part of the design team on. Myself and some other dealers were integral in the design of this new model, and we're thrilled with it. We hope you are too. We hope that you become a customer, and if you're already one, that we can sell you up to this machine. So thanks for visiting Superior Cleaning Equipment, and we appreciate your business.